Welcome to Cars You Can Fix. Today we're going to be replacing spark plugs on a 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pop this cover off. Got a couple knobs you got to get this off from. Alright, we're going to remove the foam here. Just pull that straight up. Now to get this foam off, we're going to have to unplug these plugs here. Looks like they gotta pull it out first and then squeeze it and pop it off just like that. Now we should be able to get this foam off. Work it over the knob, over the coils. There you go. Before we remove these coils, go ahead and spray some compressed air down here by the coils. Just clean the debris. These are going to be a 10 millimeter. I'll go ahead and remove these and keep them in order. Make sure this coil goes right back into this hole. Just a gentle tug. We're going to be using a 5/8 spark plug socket. There we go. And we're going to be using genuine Hyundai spark plugs. And there's the part number. And the new plugs come pre-gapped, so you just pop them in. Just gonna run them down by hand at first.
And if you can take a chance to please like the video and subscribe, it would really help the channel out.
Alright, the torque spec is 18 to 22 foot-pounds. So we're just gonna go right in the middle at 20. And now we're just going to repeat the process for the last three. Okay, now we're going to put our coils back in. Remember, same order as you took them out. And then put the 10 millimeters back in. Screw them in by hand first, just to get them threaded. And just use your 10 millimeter and snug them down. Now we have to put the foam pieces back on. Make sure to get the plugs over that. There we go. Now we're going to snap in our connectors. Push them forward till you hear the click, and then push the lock back into place. For some reason, this lock's a little tight, doesn't want to close in, so just use some pliers and give it some persuasion. Now we're going to pop the top cover on, line it up with the 4 posts, and then the 2 back there. And then just press it down. Alright, and that's it. This is Cars You Can Fix. Thanks for watching.